Has your visa been rejected? Border authorities in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, US, the UK, Europe, and across the globe are tightening their laws and restrictions, and highly experienced processing staff. We specialize in appeals and lodging new applications. In our 15 years of business, we have had experience in the following visa categories: visit and tourist visa applications, appeals of rejected visa applications, migration, student visas. Our three-step process makes it easy. 1. Free consultation and assessment for clients who wish to inquire about their visa application viability to prospective countries. You can do this online or make an appointment with a consultant at one of our worldwide locations. 2. Document checklist. After receiving a quotation for contracted services, all contracted clients will be issued with a checklist which clearly specifies all essential and supporting documents to ensure a successful visa application. 3. Results. What you get: a visa application professionally prepared by a consultant, guidance and expertise, representation to handle your immigration affairs, up-to-date information on law changes that may affect you, real-time status updates of your case, a dedicated visa consultant, guaranteed accuracy, privacy, and security, and successfully processed all types of complex visas for clients traveling to countries around the world.